Welcome back to What's on the Truck, where we go over the materials that we use to give you a 5-star experience here at Complete Home Solutions. My name is Logan, and today we'll be going over condensate pump. If your job includes us installing an HVAC unit or a dehumidifier, there's a good chance that we're also going to be installing a condensate pump. A condensate pump is a great way to move the condensate or water produced by those units and push them into an area outside of the crawl space, attic, wherever it is in your home. The condensate will drip into this container, this black part at the bottom, and once it fills up, it'll hit a flow switch. And when that flow switch is tripped, it'll then turn the machine on, take the water that's been collected, and pump it out of your house. That way you don't have to worry about overflow or flooding depending on where your dehumidifier or HVAC unit is in your home. A condensate pump is a great way to remove any water from your house produced by an HVAC unit or a dehumidifier when a gravity drain isn't possible. Now let's get these materials from our warehouse and into your home.